Hey guys, hey everybody, welcome back. Today I want to show you how to use your Jandy Power Center outdoors. This one has the PDA, but the PDA is gone AWOL. So I'm going to show you how to use everything from outside in the event you don't have it or you just need to use it outside. Check it out. Here we are on the outdoor control panel, and normally it's going to be in auto. You can see this here. Auto is the standard. Everything runs off of the whatever you've programmed into it. In the event you need to use it outside, this is all you do. You're in auto. If you put it in service, now that disables the memory, so disables any other use, so nobody else can turn the thing on while you're working on it. But this is a permanent feature. It will never turn on. So if you put it in service, it will never turn on, it will never turn off. So we don't want to use service. We like timeout. It's the next one down. So we'll put it in timeout. You can see it flashing. Now in timeout, and you can operate all the features. And this one, the first one is filter pump. You heard it beep, but this has one of the new variable speed pumps, so it's gonna take a minute for it to rev up. Usually takes 30 seconds or maybe a minute, but we'll hear that come on here in just a moment. So that's filter pump, and yours may not be labeled. You can see this one is cleaner, slide, light, and then these other auxiliaries. So we got the pump on, and then we turn on the pool cleaner. Just hit the button. That turns the cleaner on. We can press this third button, which operates the slide. You can see water coming down the slide. Yes. Okay. And we'll turn that back off. And then this is your pool light. The only thing you can't do out here is change the color, but you can turn it on. It'll go back to the last preset. And then if you have any other features, they'll be here. You may have an air blower. You may have spa lights. And then over here is your heater. If you have a pool heater, this is where you would turn that on. You select that there. If you want to use the spa, you just push this button here, go to spa mode. That will automatically rotate your valves. And then you select heater. This one doesn't have a heater, that's why that's not coming on. But if you had a heater, you would engage it there. You can also use this feature to drain the hot tub, to fill the hot tub back up after you've cleaned it, and then we're going to return to pool mode there. The good thing about timeout is when you're finished, in 3 hours it will revert back to auto, so you don't ever have to remember to come back over here. Also, if you have a salt system, this is where you can operate that. You can run the salinity up, or I said salinity, the production up or down. You would check the salt level here, and then this would be your temperature. So lots of good stuff on the inside of the box. Some directions over here in case you need more information. But that's basically, in a nutshell, how you operate the pool from the outside controller. Hope that helps. Have a great summer.